Hey, how's it going, everybody? Thought we'd give you a tour of one of the supermarkets we go to in Ocean View. This is Malama Market. This is one of two markets in Ocean View. So it's a small little market. It's like a Safeway, but 1/10 the size, and everything is a little bit more expensive. Some of it is a lot more expensive. So the one thing you can notice is the aisles are super narrow. I mean, if you're a big guy, you take up the whole aisle. Check this out here. Check out that kid. That's how narrow the aisle is. So I came here for my championship drink, Diet Mountain Dew. So grab one of those guys and headed to look for something for dinner, because we haven't been fishing because it was super rough, so there is like nothing in the fridge. So I'm walking down to the meat section. Notice the shelves are kind of empty. It's kind of like that in a lot of the markets in Kona. But I had to stop here to show you, if they don't have fishing supplies, it's not a market on the Big Island. So I'm checking this out, looking at the very expensive prices. They got some nice poke, but that's all fresh, caught off the waters off the west side, but it's pretty expensive. So I ended up picking up some hamburger. That's our dinner. So the one last thing I needed to pick up some eggs. But so I was walking to where they got the eggs and thought, oh, I need some tempura batter. We use this for our chicken nuggets, our fried chicken, our fried pork chops, pretty much everything. It's the best. So I headed to pick up a dozen eggs. And the kind of interesting thing is the markets here have eggs from the mainland. I would think that there'd be a lot of eggs from the Big Island, but nope. It's eggs from the mainland. So I picked up a dozen, and that was pretty much it. See, it says farm pack mainland eggs. So I'm headed to check out. Check this out. Free paper bag. It's pretty awesome. Everybody at these markets is super friendly, really helpful. I really like shopping here, even though the prices are a little bit more expensive. But it's the closest one to where we are. So I paid for it and have my dinner, have my breakfast. Time to head on back to Mioli. Walking out past all the Valentine's Day stuff. And that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and aloha.